My name is Keith Misavage. I'm the founder and CEO of Biobent Polymers. Battelle, a Memorial Institute based here in Columbus, had developed some technology that allows you to convert regular thermoplastics into bio-composite plastics or bioplastics. Battelle came out to our company out in Marysville, said, "Can you try this in your machines?" Because we're a plastics manufacturer out there. We put it in, not only did it worked great. Biobent's technology and the patent that Battelle has filed allows us to infuse a base resin with up to 40% renewable content. And in doing so, we can inherit the properties of the base resin so we don't degrade the performance. And because we are replacing 40% of a very expensive petroleum-based product with a very inexpensive agricultural co-product, we're able to actually offer savings to the customers. I'm definitely a serial entrepreneur. I've been doing startup companies for the last almost 35 years. And so this is just another great idea that came along. I was in the right place at the right time and saw this as just an amazing opportunity. Being an entrepreneur in general is not for the faint of heart. You know, you've got to have often nerves of steel because at the end of the day, you're operating most of the time without a safety net. You know, you've got to be for a while the bookkeeper and the trash collector and the IT guy and the idea guy and the operations guy and the inventory guy. You know, I say get in, you know, as early as you can. Find out whether you've got, you know, the moxie to really, you know, be that kind of, you know, true startup entrepreneur. Columbus is a great city, just a ton of businesses. If you look at the number of corporations based here, it's pretty amazing. I've got to believe it's, you know, one of the top 10 cities for corporate headquarters. But you've also got a lot of individual investors, you know, very wealthy base of individuals here in Columbus. That's quite honestly, you know, second to none. So for an entrepreneur, it's a great place to be. And then you couple that with facilities like Tech Columbus and the ability to incubate yourself, you know, at a facility like Tech Columbus, and then them and our company being able to leverage those outside, you know, resources on our behalf makes Columbus and Ohio a very attractive place. Be a risk taker, especially when you're young. You know, you got plenty of years to make up for it. If you try something and you find out that you're not cut from this cloth, you got plenty of years to make up for it.